Hey guys, this is Multitool here, and I'd just like to do a review on a little pocket knife called made by True. So it's very good. Just a little handy thing if you just like have your pocket, but in the UK it is illegal to carry, obviously, a penknife. So first we've got a little clip, so you can clip it onto your belt or something, or your keyring, simple. And if we open it up, we have a normal pair of pliers. So yeah, the normal grip and then the wire cutting. So yeah, and then if we just open it like that, we do, I don't know if you can see it, but we do have a little screwdriver there. So yeah, and then if we open this side, it's a little knife. It is quite sharp. Oops. So yeah, so that's just a knife. And so then we close that, and then on this side, it's a just a bottle opener and a filing, like, so if you want to file some wood. Yeah, so if you want to file some wood, a bottle opener. So yeah, that is the True thingy. Thanks for watching, and like, subscribe and comment. Dislike if you have to. So yeah, bye.